Hey there, welcome to this video where we'll tackle a common problem that many developers face when dealing with TLS connections. The issue arises when we create a TLS connection and then promptly close it, resulting in TCP RST packets being sent. It can be a real headache, right? The solution to this problem lies in understanding how the SSL_shutdown function works. When we initiate the shutdown of the TLS session using SSL_shutdown, we should wait for the peer to also shut down the session. If we don't wait for this response and close the socket prematurely, the SSL shutdown alert from the peer might not be read from the socket buffer, leading to those pesky TCP RST packets. Solution: the key is to wait for the peer to respond with a close_notify shutdown alert message, as outlined in the documentation. By using SSL_read until SSL_get_error indicates EOF, we can ensure that the shutdown process completes without triggering those TCP RST packets. In summary, when dealing with TLS connections and shutdown procedures, it's crucial to give the peer the time to respond appropriately to avoid unexpected TCP RST packets. I hope this solution helps you in handling TLS connections more effectively. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay secure out there.